Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable in-ear detection for your AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be connected with your iPhone. Then you will find headphones line at the top in the settings. Tap at that line. Then you need to scroll down and find automatic ear detection. Scroll down, and right here we have automatic ear detection. To enable this mode, you need to tap one time at the slider if the slider have empty background. And what this mode do: when you listen audio or watching the movie and you remove your earbuds, it will automatically pause your audio or the video, and when you put them back, it will resume to play audio or video. So if you don't need this mode, you can disable it by also tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.